Hey everybody, we're at the Hard Rock again, doing another face-off challenge. The brand new 5 Firecracker game with a train bonus, where my machine is stuck. I can't change the denom, so we're going to spin it all off on a 250 bet, which is rich person betting for us. So here we go. Jan's on the right, and I'm on the left. And she thinks she has an advantage, but she doesn't.
If it means anything, I know it's not supposed to. All right, ready?
Okay, here we go. And these look like they're really tough machines to get a bonus on. They just got them here at the Hard Rock in Tampa. And I can't believe one of them's already broken.
Maybe the case isn't closed full or something. I gotta see what mine. Oh, that was an $8 win for me. Get some rockets. Come on, rockets.
Come on. We could definitely use a bonus.
Come on. Rockets everywhere.
Oh, hers seems a lot more active than mine.
We still calculate through. Come on now. I'm waiting for a bonus. Usually when I get one, right?
Yeah, usually it's Jen who gets all the bonuses.
I wouldn't be mad if you got them though. So long as somebody
She is definitely getting all the firecrackers.
You might come from behind. Ooh, come on, sir. I'd like to see a bonus. I've never seen a bonus on this new game.
I got the train. Pop it now.
Oh.
I'd love to see that train bonus. I've never seen it get hit on any of the videos I've seen on YouTube.
Like 2 to 5 cents very often, very much. Come on. Oh, do it now.
Come on, do it.
Nothing. 75 cents. Come on now.
I'm hoping we can hit a bonus within about 50 bucks.
Ooh, do it. Nothing. Not even filling them up.
Oh, I finally got a rocket. Doesn't matter how many your rockets are, it's how good they pop the firecrackers. I'm not saying you have a dirty mind, girl.
Sorry.
I'm just saying sometimes one firecracker can do the whole row.
You were making some kind of innuendo. I'm sorry.
I was not.
Ooh,
Our neighbor just got into a bonus.
But somebody's getting one today. Come on. Where are we? Do something.
Come on, let's go, let's go.
Like the other ones do. Go blue. Oh, you're on. Go mini. Go mini. $25. Come on, pop it down. Nope. Nothing. I got $1.25. You're not getting any line hits, so that should be something on a line hit. I have no idea what a line hit is.
I think I'm gonna run out before she does. She's gonna win by default. Come on, you can do it. All right.
Yes, our neighbor.
Neighbor popped the bonus in a bonus.
Go, neighbor. Ready? Come on, let's do something. Show us what you got, machine. What am I at? 1070. Okay, we're not too far away from each other. Come on, nothing. Ooh, go, 5.
Come on, first one of those I got. Oh, didn't do anything. And our neighbor just popped another bonus in the bonus. Look at that. Bonus in the bonus.
You got a bear.
All right, here we go. We need, our slot machines need pay attention to that.
Yeah, do that. Do what she's doing.
We need you to do what they're doing.
Come on, Orange. Uh-oh. I'm getting down there.
Got like 11 spins on my side. Come on, let's pop something.
They're just not filling anything up. Come on, Rocket, let's use it.
Our neighbor's having an incredible bonus.
Ooh, I got one left on the purple. That's never fun. Come on, Rocket, do something, do something.
Come on, pop one. So Jan's gonna win because I'm gonna run out before she does.
Because you're gonna lose.
She got more line hits
Not
than I
that
did.
won, just that I could lose.
She-
Miners, $50. That would have been nice. Come on, do something. Go Rockets, go Rockets.
Come on, let's go. Jan got a double pop. Yes. Our neighbor's luck from her machine rubbed off on our machine. We got a zone bonus and a double up, which are my favorite on the regular Firecracker machines.
Are they ready?
Let's see what we get. Look at that. Now we need to fill in the colors to get multiplied. Oh, come on. We need lots of rockets. Let's pop another rocket in the bonus.
Come on, Rockets. Drop them, drop them.
All right.
Come on.
Keep those rockets coming. All right. Come on, you can do it. We got a zone boost.
Yay. You got 3 times up there. Nice. Oh, nice bonus, neighbor.
Neighbor got a great $143 win.
Thank you. Come on, purple. Save it up top. Save it up top. Drop something. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Come on, last spin up top. Save it. Land anything. Land anything up top. Yes.
Nice. Now I'm on.
Now we need it on bottom.
Oh, my goodness. All right. Come on now.
Come on. Land one up top. Yes.
Down bottom.
Now one on bottom. Oh, so close.
They're so stubborn. Come on, Rockets.
They one up top and one bottom. One on the bottom. One on the bottom. One on the bottom.
Go orange.
Come on, give us one on the green zone.
Come on, stop it.
Oh no, bottom's complete. Let's fill in that green square. Get 2-time multiplier. Come on, land anything. Yes. Now we need to fill in that red zone.
Yep.
All right.
All right, come on.
Come on, give us another one.
Ooh, that's it. Come on.
Come on. Oh no.
Last one. Save us.
Come on, save it, save it, save it. Oh, it didn't save it. Let's see what we got.
3 times.
All right.
2 times. 2 times. Joining on the train run.
All right. $100 win.
That means I won the head-to-head again.
Yeah, you won the head-to-head again.
I'm at 132.25.
All right.
Spin yours off?
Spin mine off and do a couple backup spins on yours.
Okay. All right.
Just a couple. Look at our neighbor. On her backup spin, got another one.
Go double.
All right.
So
Spin
I'll
mine.
do 2 here, 2 backups.
Yeah.
While I'm finishing you off, okay? I mean that. Come on, Bree.
Yes! See? That's why you do backup spins, girl. You always fight me about backup spins. And that's why you do them.
I really don't like backup spins. I'm not a believer, but I'm
She hates backup spins.
I do. I was wrong.
Oh, I'm gonna glad this is recorded forever because she admitted she's wrong. A double pop! Yes!
Zone active.
All right. Now hopefully we can pop another one of those. Love to see ultra spins. All right. That was a lot of Rockies that didn't do anything.
Alright, Don, drop them in. Anything. Oh my goodness, come on now.
Come on. Land something in there. All right.
Come on.
Let's fill up at least one of those zones.
Yes, let's get some kind of.
Let's fill up the red.
Anything, drop it. Stubborn. Come on, you can do it. You got this.
Come on, land something. Land it.
Alright, you're not done. I know you're not done.
Come on, land something. Land it. Land it. Anything. Oh!
Okay, come on. Show me what you
Come
got.
on. Gotta save us. Save us. Save it. Save it. Save it. Save it. Save it. Oh, it didn't save us.
Time.
Nice little win.
That's a nice backup spin.
What are you up to now? Thanks to me,
Thanks to you. Let's see.
63, 36, 75. All right, let's finish spinning me off and you doing your backup spins. Here we go.
Get the orange. Get the orange. Okay. Come on.
Come
Rick.
on, give me
Now you
something.
Get it. Oh.
Come on. You got 4 more spins to get one. At least give me a good line hit. Haven't even gotten one of those yet.
Am I still doing backup spins? I did too.
Do one more.
Go Rockets, go Rockets, go.
Ah, I just popped the double pop. Yes.
Nice job.
All right.
You can do this in the mirror.
Ah,
All right. I
here
wish
we
you had some
go.
volume. We can't-
We got twin and extra.
All right. The screen is not responsive, so we can't turn up the
Good.
volume. 4. Okay, 1 extra spin. Oh, this splits.
Yes,
Twin-
the twin
oh,
does.
that makes
Splits it.
sense. Twin splits
Come
it. I
on,
like
let's
that.
pop something else.
Come on.
I need to beat her.
Ooh, look at all the twins. I like twins. How about
I like twins.
quadruplets? Oh, okay, come on.
Come on. We need to pop another one.
All right, come on. Fill in the zones. Land something. Oh my goodness. All right, ready?
Come on, land anything. Yes, yes. Keep it coming.
Go, go. All right. I like all those doubles in there.
I just like that I got a hit.
No.
I was nervous.
We're down to the last couple of spins.
I had 2 spins left.
Come on, drop something in. Drop it, drop it. Oh, there's lots of good stuff floating around in there too.
Come on, let's
Come on,
go.
Train. You can do it.
Come on, drop it. Drop something.
Drop it.
Anything.
Anything. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you need to save us here now. Come on.
Come on, drop one in there.
Something.
Drop something. Yes.
Yay. All right.
Oh, let's pop all 3 of them. No.
I guess when you get twin, it splits everything.
Yep.
Come on, don't save to the end. Do it now. Show off. We need you to show off.
Come on, show up now.
Yes.
Let's pop another one. Love to get the zone boost in this because look at all those twins.
Come on, do it now. Do it now.
Come on, land it, land it.
Okay, ready? Come on. Go Rockets. Go Rockets. That one has a mini in it. Ooh. All right, land it now.
Come on, land anything.
Anything. Come on.
Yes. Pop all 3. No.
Being stubborn. Come on. Ooh. So many pretty colors. colors.
So many pretty colors.
Come on, you. Come on, train.
Yes.
Ooh, it's not even filling them up. All right, come on. Yes.
All right.
Alright,
Oh.
you filled the red one up a little bit. The double up would be nice, but all this land or just what happens after that? If you pop the double up right now.
I don't know what would
Oh,
happen.
well, let's do that. Come on, Rich.
Come on,
do
double up it.
Double, double, double. Ooh.
Give me the zone boost with all that full space. That would be amazing.
That'd be awesome. All right, last
Come on,
spin.
last
Ready?
spin.
Save it with
Come on,
anything.
save it, save it, save it. Oh.
That was a good. Hey, we thought you were gonna go.
I thought I was going to get a goose egg. Hey, I'm happy with $45 back out of that 100.
You're at. If I could multiply fives, I could tell you, but I can't.
You're done with your backup spins, right?
Yeah.
Can you?
What do we
I
got?
want to do a couple on mine. Nice line hit. Let's do one more, and we'll call the challenge. Jen wins,
Go orange.
but it looks like we're just about back to even. The $200 we put in, we got $200 back out.
Yeah, I still have.
We'll have a number recap at the end. Hope you like and subscribe.